rise with the breaking of morning light, where silence is sharp and the sky is wide. Every breath is a line between earth and flame, and nothing above us will stay the same. Steel awakens, the world holds still. Every heartbeat bends to will. Far below, the ocean waits as destiny opens its gates. We rise into the endless blue, where gravity loses its hold on truth. Through the thunder, through the fading ground, only the sky is all around. We are lifted beyond the fear, where all that was heavy disappears. No beginning, no end in sight, only motion and pure light. Glass and silence, pressure and air, the world below is no longer there. Time dissolves in the rushing stream between reality and dream. We are carried on wings of sound, where the heavens and earth are bound. Through the storm and the burning air, we are already everywhere. Through the clouds we return again, back to earth, back to men. But something remains up above the line, a trace of flight in the mind and time. And when the sky goes quiet and still, we remember what nothing can kill: the endless space, the open light. That moment we learn